Tigger, T-I-double-G-R, and being safe is what Tiggers like best. So please stay in your seats with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And grown-up types, please watch your little kids. TTFN, ta-ta for now.
Hola. Bueno, nosotros somos unos apasionados de las...
Alrighty, please, we should remove the backpacks we have on, clothes on, and watch your step. We're gonna make a beeline for this. But next party starts behind the yellow. Lower that honey bar whenever you're ready. Push up and down. Have a cigarette.
Hello, Lord Tigger, it's me, Tigger, T-I-double-G-R, and being safe is what Tiggers like best.
One blustery day in the 100-acre wood, a little bear named Winnie the Pooh set off in search of honey.
Look, Mama, look! I'm a kite! Hang on tight, Hero!
Happy Wednesday!
We'll save you, Piglet!
First the wind, and now this.
Whee! This is fun! Goodness gracious!
I'm Tigger! Cover the bumps and Tigger! Steal honey! Beware! Beware! Have a lumps and noodles! Have a lumps and noodles! What a wonderful dream!
Wake up! Oh, wake up! Wake up! Oh!
Oh boy, it's your birthday!
It's time for your party, Pooh! Hooray! Happy birthday!
I do hope you like my gift, Pooh Bear.
I've never seen so many presents!
Hope you like my present. Presents for Pooh.
Oh, that was fun.